In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to place an object in an image. So let's get started. So these are the two images here that I downloaded. I'll have a link in the description for it. And so you can see on this image we're going to select this person, but we're going to use this object. I've already created a path. So to finalize the selection, go to path to selection. You can turn this off if you want. Go to select, invert. Make sure you have your alpha channel on. Hit delete. And to select none, click Shift Control A. Looks pretty good to me. Click Control A to select all. And I want this person to be after the cycle. So first we're gonna need to select this cycle as well, but I'm just going to see you after I've selected it. So you can see there's a lot going on here. We've created a lot of paths because it is a bicycle, and if you're wondering why I didn't show you, because it took long hours to get this straight. And if you don't know how to do this, then watch my past GIMP tutorials. I've shown how to use the path tool in those tutorials. To select it, click enter. Let me get a good look at it. Looks okay to me. And now we're going to isolate this object like we did in the past tutorial. Make sure you have your alpha channel on. Control X, Control V. Create a new layer. There, now we're going to copy visible. Control V. Create a new layer. You can see the persons behind this bicycle. That's exactly what I want. Let me scale it down. So she looks too small. That looks perfect actually. Now you can see this layer is small. It's not matching with the original image. So to fix that, we're gonna create a new layer and merge it down. Now this is the part all of you have been waiting for. How do you match the background with the object? What we need to do is select the color of this environment and create a layer upon this object or person. Create a new layer first. Now you can see the color is white, but we're not gonna going to select over here because you can see this is a different color. The color code is ECE2ED. Click OK. Go to edit, fill with foreground color. And you can see the cycles here because we're not gonna add it to the cycle. And also we're not gonna add it to this background, it will be too white. So go to the person go to the object layer, go to alpha to selection, and on the white layer go to select invert, Control I, hit delete. To select none, click Shift Control A. We're going to send the mode to overlay. You can see it still doesn't work. The person looks fake. So what we're going to do is merge this layer down first. What we're going to do is go to colors, curves. Maybe like this. There. Now we've placed the object in the image, but you can see there's still some pixels coming out of her. So we're going to fix that. By going to the blur tool. Select the softest brush they have. So this is how you place an object in an image. And that will be all for today's tutorial, and I'll see you next Friday.